Alright, today we're going to show you how to do a replacement on your unloader valve on your 90037 pump. First off, verify all your componentry in the kit. You got your unloader, you got your seat, and the steel ball. And tools, need a pick. It's going to help you remove the clip holding on the handle. And then you're going to need a 22 millimeter wrench to remove the old one. It's on there a little tight. It's a good sign. It's not going to move. So you're going to take your oversized screwdriver, get in there to get the seat out. Once it's loose, tip it back, make sure you remove the seat and the steel unloader ball. Alright, now when you're ready to insert your new steel unloader ball, put a little bit of grease around the O-ring of the seat, drop it into place, and then tighten it down. Just enough to where it's snug and seated properly. Then when it's time to put the unloader in, be sure to check to make sure the plunger is actuating properly. Should get a nice smooth motion. And add just a little bit of grease to the O-rings before inserting the unloader into place. Drop it in. Go about hand tight. And you'll finish off with your 22 millimeter wrench just to snug it up just enough to know that it's in place. Then you'll take your cap, make sure your clip is out, and then lock it into place. And it should be good to go.